It really does. I found that absolutely fascinating when I
Master English before 2026 with our channel.
Okay, we are here. Look at the sky, Anna. Not a single cloud. It is perfectly blue.
It is a perfect day for the market. Take a deep breath. Inhaling deeply. Can you smell that?
I smell cut grass, and I smell coffee, strong coffee, and maybe fried onions. Someone is cooking breakfast over there.
It is bustling today. Bustling means it is busy and full of energy. Look at the crowd. Families, dogs, babies and strollers. Everyone is waking up.
Do you have the bags? We cannot use plastic bags here. We need the reusable totes.
I have them right here. I'm shaking them open. Snap, flap. Here is the big canvas one for you. It has the long handles. Put it over your shoulder.
Okay, I am ready to be the pack mule. Pack mule means the animal that carries the heavy stuff. Where do we start? I see rows of white tents. They look like little houses made of fabric.
We need a strategy. If we buy the heavy things first, like potatoes and melons, you will be tired. So we should buy the light things first, or the fragile things.
Fragile things? Like eggs?
Exactly. But look over there. Do you hear the music?
There's a man playing a guitar by the entrance. His guitar case is open on the ground. People are dropping coins into it. Clink. He's singing a folk song. It sounds very cheerful.
Let's walk past him. The ground here is not pavement, it's gravel. Listen to our footsteps. Crunch, crunch, crunch. It is a satisfying sound, like walking on breakfast cereal.
You are hungry. Everything reminds you of food. Okay, we are entering the main aisle. To the left, I see cheese. To the right, I see honey.
Look at the honey stand. The sun is shining through the glass jars. They look like liquid gold. Some are light yellow, some are dark amber.
The sign says local wildflower honey, and there's a honeycomb on the table with the wax still on it. Do you want to taste it? The lady is holding out a little wooden stick.
No, not yet. I need coffee first or something solid. My stomach is growling. Gurgle. Did you hear that?
I heard it. It was loud. Okay, priority number 1, the bakery. I can see the line from here. It's long, but it moves fast. Follow the smell of warm yeast.
Lead the lay. Excuse me, excuse me. Sound of crowd chatter. Indistinct murmuring. We are weaving through the people. I'm holding onto his sleeve so I don't get lost.
Don't let go. If you get lost, I will find you at the pastry stand eating a croissant.
That is a safe bet. Okay, we made it to the bakery line. Now we wait and we watch the bread.
We are at the front of the line. Finally! Look at this table, Anna. It is a mountain of carbohydrates.
It is beautiful. It smells warm. You know that smell? Yeast and toasted flour. It is the most comforting smell in the world.
Look at the baker, the man behind the table. He's wearing a black t-shirt, but it is covered in white handprints. He has flour in his beard, too. He looks like he's been working since 4 a.m.
Okay, what are we getting? Look at the labels. They're written in chalk on little blackboards. Whole wheat, rye, olive and rosemary, classic sourdough.
I want something crunchy, something with a hard crust. Crust is the outside of the bread, the dark, hard skin.
Then you want the sourdough. Look at the big round one, the boule. It is dark brown, almost burnt on the top. That little ridge on top, that is called the ear.
To the baker, "Hi, 1 sourdough loaf, please." Baker, implied, nods and reaches for the bread.
Watch him pick it up. He has to use a metal tom because it might still be hot. No, he's using his hands. His hands must be tough.
Listen to the sound when he squeezes it. Sound, crackle, crunch. Did you hear that? It sounds like dry leaves stepping on pavement. That means it is fresh.
If the bread is soft and silent, it is not good sourdough. It needs to sing. It needs to crackle.
He is putting it into a brown paper bag. Sound, rustle, slide. He is twisting the top of the bag shut. Twist, twist. Here you go. Hold this.
Oh, wow. Ben, take it. It is heavy. It feels like a brick. And it's warm. I can feel the heat coming through the paper. It's warming my hands.
We need one more thing. Something sweet for breakfast. Look at the basket on the left. Cinnamon buns.
Oh no, those are dangerous. Look at the icing. It's melting and dripping down the sides, and they're huge. They're the size of my head.
Let's get one to share. Just one. To the baker. And one cinnamon bun, please.
He's using a little sheet of wax paper to pick it up because it's sticky. Sound, sticky peel. He put it in a separate white box. Thank you.
Walking away from the stall. Okay, we have the essentials, bread and sugar. Now we need to be healthy. We need vitamins.
We need to go to the produce section. Produce means fruits and vegetables. I see the vegetable stand over there, under the green striped tent.
I can see the colors from here. Red tomatoes, green lettuce, purple eggplant. It looks like a rainbow.
I need tomatoes for a salad, but we have to pick good ones. We can't just grab the first one we see. We have to inspect them.
Okay, I'm ready to inspect. Let's go squeeze some tomatoes. Gently.
Here we are, the produce stand. It is dazzling. Dazzling means it is so bright it almost hurts your eyes. Look at the rows of wooden crates.
Everything is organized by color. Green cucumbers, red peppers, yellow squash. It looks like a painting. And look, the vegetables still have dirt on them.
That is a good sign. It means they were pulled from the ground this morning. Okay, tomatoes first. I need 3 big heirloom tomatoes.
What is an heirloom tomato? They look ugly. No offense, tomatoes, but they are bumpy. They're strange shapes.
They are ugly, but they taste the best. They are very sweet. Help me choose. Pick one up, Ben. Gently. Don't squeeze too hard.
I am holding a big red one. It is heavy for its size. I am running my thumb over the skin. It feels smooth, very tight, like a balloon filled with water.
Turn it over. Check the bottom. Is there a bruise? A bruise is a soft, dark spot where it was hit.
No bruises. It is perfect. But this one next to it, it feels mushy. Mushy means too soft. It is overripe. We don't want that one.
Okay, put the good ones in the basket. 1, 2, 3. Tud, tud. Now let's look at the fruit. Peaches.
Oh, I love peaches, but I hate the skin. It is fuzzy. It feels like velvet or a tiny animal. It makes my teeth feel strange when I touch it.
You are sensitive today. I love the fuzz. Smell the stem where the fruit was attached to the tree.
I am sniffing. Wow, it smells like summer. It smells like sugar and flowers. Okay, we definitely need these. How do we pay? Do we pay by the item or by weight?
We pay by weight. $3 per pound. We have to use the scale. See that silver metal bowl hanging from a chain?
I see it. It is swinging a little bit. I am putting the peaches in the metal bowl. Chilling. Watch the needle on the dial. Zzz. It spun around.
What does it say? Read the number.
The red needle is pointing at 2, so 2 pounds. That's not bad.
Okay, put them in the bag. Be careful not to crush the bread. The bread is at the bottom of the tote bag. Put the heavy peaches on the side.
We have bread, we have salad stuff, we have fruit. My bag is getting heavy. The canvas strap is digging into my shoulder.
We are almost done. I just want to buy some fresh herbs. Smell this big bunch of green leaves.
Is it mint? No, it smells like pasta sauce. Basil, fresh basil.
Yes, the leaves are huge and floppy. We will put this on top of the tomatoes. Okay, let's go to the cashier tent. Get your wallet out. They usually only take cash here, no credit cards.
I have a $20 bill. It is crisp. I just got it from the ATM. Let's pay the farmer. And then, can we sit down?
Yes, then we get the reward, fresh juice.
Whew. Okay, stop here. My shoulder is dying. This bag is heavier than I thought. Potatoes are heavy, Anna. I need to drop this pack mule burden.
There is a bench over there, under the big oak tree. It is in the shade. Let's claim it before someone else does.
I am walking fast. Okay, I'm putting the bags down on the gravel. Ah, freedom. My shoulder feels light again. I'm rubbing the sore spot.
Sit down.
The bench is warm from the sun, but the shade feels nice. Here is your reward. I bought it while you were paying for the vegetables.
Oh yes, fresh orange juice. It looks radioactive. I mean, the color is so bright. It is neon orange.
That is because it is 100% oranges. No water, no sugar. Touch the cup. I am holding the clear plastic cup. It is freezing cold. Look at the outside of the plastic. It is sweating. Thousands of tiny water droplets. That is called condensation.
Run your finger down the side. Squeak! You made a clean stripe through the water droplets. Now your finger is wet.
I am shaking the cup. I hear the ice cubes hitting the plastic. It is the sound of summer.
Put the straw in.
Poke. Take a sip, but be careful. It might be sour. Okay, here goes. Whoa! My eyes just popped open. It is very sour. It is tart. It makes the back of my jaw tingle.
But is it good?
It is amazing. After the initial shock, it is sweet, and I can feel the pulp, the little bits of orange fruit floating in the juice. It has texture. It is not smooth like supermarket juice.
It wakes you up better than coffee. It's pure vitamin C. Look at the crowd now, Ben. It's getting busier.
Yeah, it's peak hour now. Look at that dog over there, the golden retriever. He is sniffing the sausage stand. He looks very hopeful.
And look at the little kid holding the balloon. He's crying because he dropped his ice cream.
It's a nice atmosphere. Everyone is happy to be outside. I'm happy we came, even though I had to carry the potatoes. But I'm ready to go home now. I want to slice that sourdough bread and put butter on it.
And the jam. Don't forget the strawberry jam we have in the fridge.
Okay, drink up. Sorry, that was the bottom of the cup, the empty sound.
Let's go. Pick up the bag, strong man. Only 2 blocks to the car.
Okay, up we go. Goodbye, farmer's market. See you next week.